Hey y'all, it's Laura from Craft and See with Laura B. And I am here to do the flip through of my Irish junk journal from, I know this, Echoes of Ireland by, and I have this, I know this, until I got on camera. I will get it. I know this. So I'm just gonna, this is really funny because I literally just thought of it before I turned the camera on. From Rose, Journals in Time. Rose at Journals in Time. I don't know why I forgot that. I love that name. Anyway, Echoes of Ireland, Rose at Journals in Time. So this is a flippy, flappy envelope. Let's see how it, and a slippery one at that. So, okay. Yes, we are in frame, as far as I can tell. So what I did is I made it a flippy, flappy envelope journal. And then just shrunk her pages down accordingly. It is decorated. I kind of like to say that it's lightly decorated because I left some to the imagination. I actually didn't ink everything, but I did kind of go wild with, like, the glossy accents and the heat embossing. So you open it up. On the spine, there's no signature, but I made this thinking I put a signature in and then neglecting for the bulk. So there's no signature. However, I did want to put some charms on the inside. So I used my gold crochet thread along with these little, I hope you can see them, these little, little shamrock 4-leaf clover charms. So, all right. So here's one tag. And again, I didn't do much like this. I just, coffee stained paper that I had a doily. And this right here is just a stunning, I think it's a tapestry. I don't know, but it's stunning. I just find it stunning. So, again, I shrunk down everything to fit, and I believe this is a journal card, and I just made it into a pocket. So you open it up. Here is the inside. So this page, I love this, so I'm leaving it. I just decided to leave it. Now we will start with this side, the right hand side. Here is an envelope that I made into just a hidden writing, and it flips open. I did several wax seals. I have a little tiny shamrock stamp, so I use that, put that there. I fussy cut, obviously, out the aisle, and just put the thick foam tape underneath. So here's another journal card. Just put some, like I said, just little decorations. And this is just all the little stamps, pull tabs and stuff. Some I golded. Use the Creative Expressions. I can't remember off the top of my head. So, all right, we're going to move one more down so we can flap open again. Now, I love these, and I'll have you know, Rose, if you ever watch this, that the ones that were written in Gaelic, I actually typed it in, and so I knew exactly what they said. Yeah. So, yes, and I liked them, and I wrote them all down, and I know I have a thing right around here because I was just looking at it. Of course, I did kind of clean off my desk, so, which basically meant shove everything to the side so I can hurry up and film. Well, anyway, I do have it. I mean, I wrote them all down with translation and everything. So, I did. I swear I did. Right. So, here's a pocket. Oh, come on now. With, again, the same card because I think it's gorgeous. And this is the paper that I made. The background I think I talked about it in my first video, but the background papers, I just used some speckled egg because that's the only blue I have, along with Rustic Wilderness, and pretty sure this is, and Bundled Sage. And then I went over it with, I have some gold metallic hammered. It's the Folk Art Hammered series, and this is either the antique gold or the antique brush gold, one of the two. Okay, watered it down. You gotta water the paint down, and then you just do the dabbing thing and dry. Anyway, I just really like, you know me, if you don't know me, Mama likes her shimmer and her sparkly, right, Candace? So, and here's yet another pocket with some cheesecloth and a stamp. I'm really trying to work on not ever over-decorating everything into the nth degree. So, I cut up this gorgeous paper. I did. Well, it's a small junk journal. The whole thing wasn't going to fit. And then, again, with my paper, I use the same paper to cut out this die cut. I actually kind of like how it blends in, but doesn't. Maybe it's just me. Okay. Here's another pocket. Took another cut out of hers, edged it in that gold. No, it's not the Dread R&B. And that was the envelope that I showed you. I think I probably showed you that pocket and just getting around to it. I did. So, okay, here's this. Now, this folds in like this. Oh, by the way, here's the envelope in the back that I just used an envelope board for and put another wax seal with a shamrock. This is green floral tape. And I just thought, wow, that looks really nice. So, hey, it won't fit in here very well. You won't be able to fold it up. So, it's in the back. I know, I got ahead of myself. So, now we're going to move on down. Okay, we're going to go on this side. So, we have plenty of room. So, here's another triangle pocket. And I'm assuming this is what these were for. Yet another. I'm trying to remember what that one means. I think that is the one about, I'll get to it. Like I said, I wrote them all down. But this is the one about we need each other. Something like that, I believe. I'll try to find my little thing. I hope that I cannot be the only one this happens to, where you have something sitting here and you're just looking at it. It's in your way the entire time until the last second when you actually want it. So, okay, you know what? I'm not going to cause it a craft a lunch for it. I'll find it as soon as I turn off the video. Okay, Laura, stop it. All right, let it go. All right, another tag. Not sure who this woman is. And I really would like to know the significance of the harp. I'm going to have to look it up. So, here's a pocket with a journal card. Again, the paper. I just used the tab punch that I got off, that other place. And, made tab punches out of it. And this just kind of went all wonky on me. There we go. Hang on. Stop it. Straighten up and fly right. Right, Mitzi? Anyway, this is not how it's going to look. This is not how I wanted it to look. It's supposed to go. Come on. Be nice. Be nice. Okay, forget it. So, a little bit of lace that just came off. Because, of course... Oh, for God's sake. Okay, anyway, so see, it's going to look something like this. Obviously not exactly like this because it fell apart. But, hey, what are you going to do? Oh, bad crafts, bad crafts. What you going to do? What you going to do when they come for you? So here, I use the Story of Ireland. It's a little book cover with a spine. So I just made it a flip and one of these triangles and made it a tuck that goes up here. And then another one. And again, I love my heat embossing, so I went nuts with some of it. Not all. Because I'm trying to get better at not over inking everything to death, not decorating everything to death. Just kind of let the paper speak. And here is another journal card. And I stamped the little piggy's shamrock stuff. Think Happy St. Patrick's Day. Easy for me to say. Obviously not. Anyway, Happy St. Patrick's Day. Got these little piggy St. Patrick's Day stamps, and they're absolutely adorable. They're just cute. Oh my gosh, they're so cute. So, this, I'm going to flip open this way, and I think it'll be easier to put this tag in. Don't go that far on the struggle bus. All right, there we go. So, this can actually flip in this way, but because of this, I like it this way better. So I originally had shut it that way. And I don't think I showed you the pocket here. There is a pocket, and again, heat embossed. Had to do the stickles, then the heat embossed. And I noticed how the heat embossing changes the colors of the stickles. Anyway, so, and there, those, flip. I will fix this. I talked about that. All right, let's fold over, and it is with the dingly danglies. It is a little fussy. Again, I did the heat embossing because I just love it so much, and I did it through. Actually, these are the heat embossing. These are the glossy accent. So I did the heat embossing on this. It just reminded me of church window so much. Here's yet another pocket. I sure hope I'm in frame, because otherwise I'm going to cry. Yes, I am. So, I don't know about all y'all, but this reminds me so much of that scene in Gone with the Wind when Scarlett O'Hara has to go to Melanie Wilkes' house after she was out and about doing for the time, not very good things with Rhett Butler, but she didn't actually. Anyway. So, and then got attacked. So, anyway, it reminds me of that scene where she comes in the scarlet dress with her eyebrow raised. And it's fitting because, O'Hara, Ireland. Anyway, yep, there's my nerdy moment for a minute. So, there's that one. And that... Oh, man, I looked this up last night. I've slept since then. I'm not going to be able to remember. If anybody knows, shout it out. Put in the comments. So, now here we are. So, what we have done, we will open her all up. So, this flaps like this. Here are, and I waited for these, my actual St. Patrick Day, St. Patrick's. That is St. Patrick. So, is this religious per se? No. But St. Patrick is a Christian, a Catholic saint. So there's got to be some of it. Anyway, so there we go. That folds in like this. And this will fold in. And we come out here. And this is flippy flappy all the way out like this. So, right out here, we fold in like that. The second fold comes like this. Then it folds like that. And finally, the front goes over it. You kind of got to fiddle a little bit to make sure those go down, which really irritates me because the way the thing was going before, they were laying perfectly. I got this Ann Wilson song stuck in my head. Scatter. There. See? That's what it's supposed to do. And this, because now I have to really fiddle with it, because, it's not like it wasn't vexing me enough before. Let's fiddle with it some more on camera. Now you can't even get the dumb thing open. It is 7:05 here after we had to spring forward at 2 a.m. 7:05 p.m. I should say. And I'm looking outside, and yeah, I got some more. Got another 20 minutes or so before I gotta go put the chickens to bed. Oh, do not tell me you messed that up. I did. No, you didn't. Just go like this. And this is what happens when crafts do not go. Oh, forgotten. You know what? I'll just do it. I'll deal with that later. I'll deal with that later. Anyway, so since this won't fit in here and let it close, I've got this Sari silk I sent away off for a bundle on the Amazon. So we're going to put that there. Close it up again. Make sure that is sitting the way sitting the way it's supposed to. Flap, because it likes to open. Flap. See, I love this kind of stuff. I love the interactive stuff. And then, oh, and here's this. If I didn't show this one, I don't know if this lady is significant or if it's just an amalgamation of the Irish woman back in medieval times. And here's the other heat embossed one. There we go. So put that down. Make sure everything's tucked in because it is a little fiddly as far as closing and, you know, all that stuff. And then I'll attempt to tie a bow on camera. And so you can watch Laura B on the struggle bus again. You know, I didn't have boys. Boys. I didn't have a girl. I had a boy. I had a son who didn't have long hair. And I didn't have long hair growing up. I wasn't allowed to. So, it is... I don't tie bows well. There. Yep. Never learned. Never had to learn. There we go. So that is that. That concludes my St. Patrick's Day 2023 playlist. I had the loaded pockets from my porch prints that I did, and then 2 episodes of this. Again, this is Echoes of Ireland from Rose at Journals in Time, and it's an absolutely gorgeous kit. I highly recommend you run out and get it right now. Just run. And anyway, so yay, I got this done in time for St. Patrick's Day, before St. Patrick's Day. So yay me. And I look forward to chatting with you next time. And oh, before I do anything else, probably forgot to ask how you are doing. I hope you did fine. I hope you're doing fine. Just wait, now I'm getting a tickle in my throat. Wouldn't you know it? Maybe I better get a lozenge, because that's not going to go away anytime soon. Excuse me. Yeah, it's not going to go away. My eyes are starting to water. Anyway, I hope you're doing fine. I'm sure you're doing fine. If you stuck it to the end of this video, yay you. I appreciate each and every one of you. My new subbies and my OG. I'm sorry I'm laughing. I have a whole 44 subscribers. So who's the OG I'm talking about? You know what? Candace? Mitzi? Tommy? Excuse me. Tommy with Paper Crafting with Miss Tommy. She's my OG. Mitzi at 307 Junk Journals. I guess you could call her. I'm sorry. Now I'm all tickled over the whole OG thing. Anyway. If you... Sorry. If you like what you saw, hit the like button. Subscribe. Hit the notification bell if you'd like. And tell your friends. Until the next time. Peace out. Sorry. Bye.